Hey, what's up? This is KS for After Effects tutorial, and here is another very exciting tutorial about Plexus plugins of After Effects, how to use it in motion graphics with 3D motion graphics and visual effects. Let's start. Create a new composition and right here Plexus. Then press OK. Right click, create a very simple text. So right here, just After Effects. So make the center of composition screen. Then go to Effects. There is a Plexus robot. Select. Then here is a window about Plexus object panel. Add the geometry paths. So here is just After Effects, the particles. There is plugin setting. So Plexus path object selected, and there is the Plexus points. You can set the Plexus points size. So here is the Plexus. You can control the shading. You can export, refresh, open or close the Plexus object panel. So there is an effect. You can create a noise, select, you can control noise like this, and there is a render engine. Create the lines between the dots particles. So there is another beautiful effect of the Plexus triangulation. Don't forget, the Plexus plugin is 3D. Just create a camera, 24mm, press OK. So select orbit. Here is a 3D space. Ctrl Z. You can animate. So stopwatch, and here is points, stopwatch, lines, stopwatch, and the triangulation stopwatch. Go to 3 seconds, change to 0, 0, and change to 0, 0. So here is the noise, change to 0. Play now. Good. So don't forget, there is a 3ds Max, minimized After Effects, 3ds Max. Here is a simple 3D model using for After Effects. Select and go to Files, Export, select it, and then go to Desktop, select the OBJ, Model A, press Export. Done. Go back to After Effects. So reset the project. Okay, don't worry. Delete just After Effects. Create a new solid. Right here, 3D, and go to Effects, Robot, Plexus. So now go to Add the Geometry, OBJ. So where is the OBJ? Import from OBJ, and you must have what? Your OBJ file into composition. Go to Desktop, select Object A. Select again the 3D solid and go back to Effect Control. And here is OBJ layer, select A. Turn off object layer and select again 3D solid and go back to Effector Transform. And there is Scale, Object Size, and there is Control 180 degree. And don't forget move it down here. So right click, create null object. So parent wave the camera to null 1. Move the null object, then turn on the 3D switch and press R. Stopwatch Y rotation and go to 3 seconds. Make it 1. Play now. Here is a 3D Plexus. So select the 3D and go to render, turn on the lines. So don't forget, control the lines thickness, set 0.3. Now select again, add render lines. Sorry, go back, select lines render 2, delete, create a triangulation here, and go back to effect, noise. Where is the noise? Here is. Okay, now time to create another new composition and set Plexus by light. Press enter and go to effect. So before going to effect, create your light point, light one, change the color white, press OK, OK. And now create a new solid right here, Plexus, press enter and go to effect, robot Plexus. Then go to add geometry, layers, select the light, Ctrl D, move it down here, and don't forget, select again, go to render lines. Here is the light, created a single line, Ctrl D. Here is another one, here is the third light, and here is the fifth. So select the light, move here, select again the Plexus solid and go to render, turn on the triangulation. You can animate the lights, you can animate the 3D model of Plexus, you can create the backgrounds, anything. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe the channel for another tutorial. See you next time.